Okay, so just another very important topic in SQL. It's called null value, and null value is basically nothing. Um, and just we'll go over an example real quick, and we'll read this description. What the definition is? It says if a field in a table is optional, it is possible to insert or update a record without adding any value to this field. This way, the field will be saved with a null value. A null value represents an unknowing, missing, or inapplicable data in a database field. It is not a value itself, but a placeholder to indicate the absence of a data. A null value is different from zero or an empty string. A field with a null value is one that has been left blank upon record creation. So basically, it has no value, right? It says we will have to use the is null and is not null operators instead. It is not possible to use how to test null values. If you ever have to, right? Somebody says like, need to know the null values. So basically, in that case, so basically, in that case, my camera has keep hiding. Let's go back. All right, here we go. Okay, so it's a select columns. So that's the syntax. Is null and is not null. Select column names from table name where column name is null. Select column names from table name where column name is not null. So let's look at an example real quick. Let's see. So select customer name, contact name, address from customers table where address is null. Actually, so let me look at the customer table and see if there is actually a that says null. So there is no null values. They all have values in it. There's nothing blank or empty thing. Usually if there's nothing, no record or anything, like for example, if the city is missing, if there was no city, if I'm creating a record for this customer Alfred, I missed or I did not put the city, it will say null. So it cannot be blank, right? So they can be empty. So that was that. Is null because we're looking for empty values. So let's look at the is not null. So we selected as a customer name, contact name, address for customers where address is not null. We're looking for the values that are not null. So there we go. So they don't have any actually a place where the values were null, but that's okay. But that's what just a basic concept is. So it's good to know. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.